How will the Gaza War end? This question, as complex as the conflict itself, is the focal point of today's examination. To comprehend the possible outcomes of the Gaza War, it's essential to understand the events leading up to the current situation. The Gaza Strip, a small sliver of land nestled between Egypt and Israel, is home to nearly 2 million Palestinians. The historical timeline of this conflict dates back to the mid-20th century when Israel was established. Since then, the Israel-Palestine conflict has been a contentious issue in international politics, with the Gaza Strip being a major flashpoint. In recent years, the situation has grown increasingly dire. The Gaza Strip has been subjected to repeated attacks, with the death toll reaching into the thousands. The year 2022 saw a particularly deadly attack that resulted in the deaths of at least 44 Palestinians, including 15 children. The ongoing siege has made life increasingly difficult for Palestinians in Gaza, with health services predicted to halt due to power outages and fuel shortages. Israel, on the other hand, views this conflict as a necessary retaliation against Hamas, an organization they see as the embodiment of evil. However, the challenge lies in defining what it means to eliminate Hamas and how to achieve it without causing further harm. The fight against Hamas differs from other conflicts due to its proximity to Israel and the fact that there are hostages involved. So, how will the Gaza War end? This question carries with it a myriad of possibilities, none of which can be definitively predicted. However, based on the current trajectory, the end could come in a few different forms. One possible outcome is a continuation of the status quo, with periodic flare-ups of violence and temporary ceasefires. This would mean continued suffering for the people of Gaza and an ongoing sense of insecurity for Israelis. Alternatively, a significant shift in global politics could lead to a forceful intervention by the international community. This could potentially result in a ceasefire or even a peace treaty. However, achieving this would require a level of international consensus and commitment that has so far been lacking. Finally, there's the potential for a unilateral decision by Israel to cease its attacks. This could be due to international pressure or a change in strategy. However, this would likely not address the root causes of the conflict and could potentially lead to a resurgence of violence in the future. In conclusion, the end of the Gaza War is as uncertain as the conflict itself. It is a complex issue that requires a nuanced understanding of the historical context, the current political landscape, and the human cost of the conflict. Whatever the outcome, it is clear that a just and lasting resolution is needed to ensure a peaceful future for both Israelis and Palestinians.